Good day, pupils. How are you today? Let's start our English lesson. Please write down today's date and go to page number 36. Сәлеметсіздер ме балалар? Ағылшын тілі сабағын бастаймыз. Today's our new theme is about inviting, accepting, and refusing. In today's our lesson, we have a dialogue between two friends. Please listen and read carefully.
Have you made any plans for next weekend?
No, I haven't made any plans yet. Why?
How about going sailing?
That sounds great. Where?
In Coleside Lakes. Have you ever been?
Yes, I have. I love it there.
I'm going with my dad. Why don't you come with me?
I'll have to ask my parents first.
Okay, let's ask them together then.
Task 1. Exercise 2. In this exercise, you have to read the dialogue. What is Kairat going to do next weekend? You have to record this dialogue with your reading. Бірінші тапсырма. Бұл тапсырмада диалогты жақсылап оқыңыздар және сол оқығандарыңызды аудиомен жіберіңіздер. Task 2. Exercise 3. In this exercise, you have to find sentences in the dialogue which mean these three sentences. First, why don't you join me? Second, we can ask them together. Third, that's a great idea. Or, that is a good idea. Екінші тапсырма, үшінші жаттығу. Бұл жаттығуда диалогтың ішінен осыған ұқсас, берілген үш сөйлемге ұқсас сөйлемдерді жазыңыздар. Homework exercise. Exercise 4. In this exercise, you have to give the answers for 2 questions and translate them into Kazakh language. Үйге тапсырма. 4-ші жаттығу. Бұл жаттығуда берілген 2 сұраққа жауап жазыңыздар және де осы 2 сұрақты аударыңыздар. Good luck to everyone.